Okay, so the next step after you sign up, the system is going to send you the enrollment assessment. So once you go on the website, stirguscreditrepair.com, you click the sign up page and you fill in all of your information, put your credit card on file. You're going to get this little pop-up message here that says, thank you, all of your information has been submitted. We will contact you soon. So again, once you sign up, the system is going to automatically send you this enrollment link. Sometimes it goes instantly. Sometimes it may take 2-3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. But you just click this email here that says login credentials for secure client access. So you click that, and this is just a testing email that I just made for this video. We did update a few things from the previous enrollment video we made. So a few things have changed. So for this, we just want to create a password. Now this password is only going to be for your StirgusCreditRepair.com account. So whenever you want to track your updates every month, this is going to be the login information you use on our website. So once you go to StirgusCreditRepair.com, right there on the home page, you're going to see client login. You click that button, and this is going to be the information you need to log into your account. So we're just going to set a easy password here, and then click set password. And all of this information is easy. If you go back here, you can kind of see where I've listed some of the instructions here. Let's see. So the first thing you want to do is sign the agreement. You want to read everything, make sure you understand how everything works. Put your little digital signature there, submit now. And this is a little walkthrough video, but you can just click continue. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for credit monitoring. So without credit monitoring, we cannot see your credit scores. If we can't see your credit scores, we can't get started with our work. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click OK, ready to set up. And then you want to put in your information. So your email is automatically going to be your username, and then you just create a password. So we're going to do the same thing that we just did. And we are partnered through Credit Hero Score. So you want to click account setup. And there we go. You're going to see our logo right here at the top of the page. Make sure you see our logo. If you do not see our logo, that is an issue. You definitely want to contact us. And then you just click this button here. Get your 3 scores now. And you want to fill in all of this information here. You want to complete step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. You definitely want to make sure you complete all of that. If you don't, then of course your account isn't going to be fully set up. So the next thing you want to do, once you complete all of that information, this is just going to pop up some sample credit scores. These aren't your real scores. You want to put your credit card on file. This is going to complete your credit monitoring account. And then you want to click I agree and accept terms offers or offer terms. I'm sorry. And once you're done with that, you're going to automatically come back to your portal here, and then you want to upload your driver's license. Complete now. Upload image using computer. Let's see. This is a fake driver's license that I just got off Google a few seconds ago. You can see it right there. And then you click next. And then the next thing you want to do is select a signature in case we need it on a few documents. You can select anything there. And once you do that, you'll be done. Of course, this says sign up for Credit Hero Score and share login details. Since this is just a testing video, I didn't complete that. So this is going to automatically be highlighted as completed or checked off as completed whenever you actually do it the real way. So since this is just for training purposes and just to help people who have complications using computers and cell phones or smartphones, this is just going to stay undone for right now. Once you get done, this is going to be your online account, so you can go back to our website anytime, like I said before, and check your online account. If you go to StirgusCreditRepair.com, click Client Login. Once you log in, this is going to be the information you're going to see. So right here, you're going to see this little chart here. This is going to show you how many items were deleted, how many items were updated, how many items are still being worked on. You're going to see a button right here that says see detailed view. So this detailed view button here allows you to see exactly which account it was that got deleted. Over here on the left, you're going to see an area where your credit scores are going to be put into place here. So if you signed up today, of course, you're going to see your credit scores for today. If you log in next month, 30 days after, you're going to see your new credit scores, and so on until everything is completed with your account. But that's pretty much it. If you ever want to send us a message through your online account, just click this button here that says messages. And this is probably one of the easiest ways to contact us. So a lot of people email us or they call us. They don't tell us their name. They don't give us a good way to contact them back if we missed their call, or if they email us, they don't give us their email or phone number to contact them back. So this message button here is going to send a message directly to us. It's going to have your account information attached. It's literally going to show everything that we need to know. It's going to let us know who you are, what your credit scores are, when was your last update. It's going to show us everything, so that it's not going to take multiple emails back and forth trying to figure out who you are, what you're calling or emailing about, and what's your situation. So right here in the My Finances tab, you're going to find like some finance calculators if you want to figure out how monthly payments are calculated, or how interest affects your monthly bills and things like that. Credit information, pretty much our website explains everything, but credit information just kind of explains how credit repair works, how your credit scores are built, and things like that. Your settings tab here, this is just for you to change your password. But other than that, you mainly just log into here to make sure all of your tasks are done, and to check your credit scores, your reports. And again, you want to definitely make sure all of your tasks over here are completed. If something still says complete now, you need to email us ASAP, because your account is not done. So once everything is checked off here, you're all good to go. And that is all. And once you complete this, the process begins. Thank you. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.